Go test, position test, pick this up. This one here. Over here. Get this, get these gloves, see what you can see. Can't really see the ironing board. This is in the way. I need to get that out of shot really. Bollocks. Things I have to do to set up a fucking shop. Right, if I get rid of out of the way, move this down over here. It's not going to be in shot anyway. Remove the fan out the fucking way. I'm going to put that over here. Right. Put it in the other room. Yep. Run out of room. What about that? That's a bit better, you can actually see the ironing board now. So I'm going to mop the bucket out of the way. It's a bit of a nice saw, isn't it? Right. Here. Here. So if I just tilt it just slightly that way. Just so you can see this area here better. And that. And that. That's an empty space, so I can just tilt it down just slightly. And then that way. That's better, so you can see. There we go.